4:30 in the morning and I have made it to Bangkok. Exhausted. I'm gonna go to the immigration center. Good morning, everyone. So this is day one. I have arrived in Bangkok and I plan on, I don't know, day one is all about, oops, let me fix this, let me get used to this. So day one, I am just gonna explore the city. I have a cooking class this afternoon. I'm really excited for it and I'll bring you all along with me. Let's go. This is day one in Bangkok and it is a wild city. So many cars. I rode on my first motorcycle. I thought I was gonna die. So I am headed towards Chinatown. That'll be my first food place. Known for its amazing, amazing street food. So we're gonna head up there and see what I can grab. I'm ending my time in Bangkok Chinatown with well, I told them Tom Lao, so they got me this, and then a lot of extra veggies, and also some nam bun. Fresh. It doesn't even have cow. It wasn't ready. On Saeng's travel channel, I am bringing to you all the beautiful city of Chiang Mai. So this city has delicious food, very misty mountains, and amazing people and shops, and lots of night market. The mango sticky rice is one of the best I've ever had. The mango is so perfectly ripe and the rice is so soft and sweet and a little salty. It's really good. That's really good. I am at the restaurant called Hun Pen. They are known for their khao soys. They have a variety, 6, 7, and I'm gonna try the broth first. Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. I love the flavors in your mouth. It just explodes. You taste all the fragrances. You even have some side shallots, pickles, and lime to add. I am at the Wu Lai night market where it's so many street vendors with food and gadgets and clothes. So I decided to get this. It is from a vendor. It's the Kamu. Looks like there is some freshly cooked rice with the fatty part of the pork and some dip and veggies. Let's see. Day 2 in Chiang Mai. I am headed to the elephant sanctuary all day to hang out, to play, to chill with my homies, the elephant. I'm at the Elephant Nature Park today. It is located north of Chiang Mai, about an hour and 20 minutes up north. It's a gorgeous sanctuary for all these elephants that are here to be healed.